Welcome to today's daily reports market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Friday, the 25th of September. There's been a degree of stabilization today. The dollar has been on a big, strong run higher. It's been sort of fluctuating around actually in the past 24 hours or so. We had news out of the States yesterday that the Democrats were sort of putting together a $2.4 trillion package of fiscal spending and fiscal support for the economy, and that was going to be sort of debated and voted on potentially next week. So that has stabilised sentiment to an extent. You saw equity markets ticking higher yesterday, a little bit of a sort of stabilisation today. Interesting that in the last few minutes, actually, the dollar started to look a little bit stronger again, but we can still see that Aussie and Kiwi are performing well, but just euro dollar moving lower. And that's sort of dragging dollar index higher again. But it'll be interesting to see how these moves move in the coming hours, because obviously we've got the weekend, and then we're looking towards the potential of this Congress fiscal support package next week. So it'll be interesting, I think, but not a great deal of data to really watch out for today. You've got durable goods in the afternoon. 1% expected there, month-on-month growth, but no real sort of anything else to change the sentiment. So it could be a basis of consolidation that we've got today. Now, my chart today is the DAX, and that is under a little bit of pressure. What we've seen is that from Monday, when the markets really started to go risk negative, you saw the DAX breaking below that uptrend. That was a key uptrend that was driving the market higher, but decisively broken now. And the 12,630 to 12,800 area of pivots, old levels that had become sort of basis to watch, breaking underneath that, and then they're now starting to become a basis of resistance now, these pivots. Interesting this morning, 12,622, just a shade under that 12,630 level. Yesterday's high, Wednesday's high. 12,830, so around about that 12,800 mark. So these levels of resistance are starting to come in, and how the DAX responds to that 12,500 level of support, 12,505 to the tick, but 1,200 effectively. If it starts trading with a 12,400 handle, I think that's a breakdown, and that would be then sort of moving towards the 12,250 area, which is that key July low. Now, that key July low is the technical indicator of support to watch now, because that is the first real higher low of the recovery. And once that gets broken, that would be a really key turning point. So that is the key risk, I think, 12,253. And that would come into play certainly if 12,500 were broken today. You look at the momentum indicators, though, they are certainly pushing for that sort of move, with the failure consistently around 60 on our RSI, sort of now turning negatively configured in the 30s. You'd say anything around 50 is probably selling opportunity time. Any unwinding move looks to be a chance to sell. And we've seen that in the last couple of days with these failures, again, at 12,830, and this morning around 12,630. So 12,680, and then this morning 12,630 area. So it's an interesting rebound that continues to be sold into, and you've got the negative configuration on hourly momentum under 60 on on our RSI, and failing around sort of the 50s, even in the 40s now, rolling over on MACD, rolling over on stochastic. So rallies are a chance to sell now on the DAX, and it looks as though it's pressuring to continue to the downside, and 12,253 could come under pressure. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.